What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. This time we are going to introduce the new bike to you. That bad boy over there. So I just picked this bitch up. It is a 2008 KX450F, and I'm going to try not to kill myself, so let's go! Alright, let's do it! And if you're wondering what that odd shaped contraption is, it's the new GoPro 360 Max. Fucking hell. So I killed the last 360 camera. I'm sure you remember that video. If not, you can find it if you want to have a look. But yeah, I got sent out one of those Insta 360 1X cameras, and it lasted 30 seconds, so that kind of sucks. Has been a few years since I've been on a dirt bike, guys. So I won't be going too crazy today. Alrighty, so the plan is to get up to the top of this mountain, and there's a lock gate up there that I haven't been up to for years. So we'll get up there, have a bit of a look, and I think we're going to get pissed on rain too, unfortunately, but well, at least there's no dust. Fucking bit different from coming up here on the Harley, let me tell ya. So hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad, but as soon as I put my visor down it just bulks up, so you're just gonna have to bear with me on that one. Gotta take my hat off to Shade Tree Surgeon for doing vlogs while he's doing this shit. Man, it is hard to concentrate and not fall off at the same time. Well done, sir. Have a go at the view. Man, it is just magnificent up here. If I can find a good spot to pull over, guys, I'll give you a better look at this view. Hopefully I pull over voluntarily instead of stacking. Well, this was a giant epic fail. I have to try and do something better with that. That'll be a bit of a waterfall once we start getting some rain. So how many of you guys ride dirt bikes as well as you rode bikes? I'm curious. I used to be right into dirt bikes when I was a young fella. Holy shit. I broke it already. Fucking hell. I can't have nice things, eh? I'm telling you. I don't even know how you're supposed to use this. Oh, well, I should probably do research before I start playing with new toys anyway, but you know what it's like. Get a new toy, you just want to open up and play with it. If you can't figure it out, that's when you read the instructions. Like I always say, guys, reading's for rich people. I'll show you some of the footage that I get from this thing anyway, guys, so we'll figure out whether you got to hold it like this or like this. Or like this, who knows. As long as we get one like 10-second cool shot, I'm happy. That's all I want. Not a greedy man. So this is the road back up to that quarry where we rode the Harleys up to. So I've got new tyres put on the 80 series now too, guys, so I am ready to tackle that hill with the Mighty 80. So whenever I get another spare minute. Got a day off work today, midweek, so I thought beautiful time to come up here. There'll be no one else up here, no one to save me if I break an arm or a leg. Oh shit, I hope that don't happen. But anyway, I should probably pull over and put this camera in my backpack so I can use two hands. Is that what they say, isn't it? Like two hands for beginners. And alright, let's do that. Whoops. That's not neutral. No idea. Anyway, it looks cool. There we go. That's the spot. Have a look at that, eh? Beautiful. The ocean's out there. I don't know if you can see through the trees or not. I love it up here. It's like 10 degrees cooler too. It's really nice because it's hot as balls down there. Anyway, off we go. Yeah, so as I was saying before, guys, I haven't been into dirt bikes for a fair few years now, and when I say a fair few, it's probably like 13, I reckon, since I had my last one. My last one was a Hasselberg 550 FE, I think they're called. It was the road registerable one. I used to ride it to work. That thing was a weapon. So this is where we come to with Paddy and Benno the other day, and I was trying to get Paddy to ride up this, but he wasn't keen. So we'll have a crack at it. Just because, what's the worst that could happen? Yeah. About that, you know, you just stall and roll back down the hill. Dickhead. Should have just stopped talking, eh? Ah, sorry guys. We'll be right back.
Minutes later.
Alright, we're back. Didn't make it up the hill. I think the bike's flattered. Tried to bump start it, got down to there, and went I better go get my helmet before I keep going. Oh, I'm buggered. So you went again, mountain, or little hill. Piece of shit. Lucky it's all downhill. Oh well, what do you do? So unless I get it started again, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a tight thumbs up. If you haven't already, headbutt that subscribe. And I'm just going to lie in the grass here and I'll catch you later, eh? All that stuff. Bye. Alright, boys and girls, it ain't over yet. It ain't over yet. Ooh. So I let the old slut sit for 2 beers. That's right, of course you bro. Oh no. Cockhead. Oh, thank God for that. Alright, as I was saying, I let it sit for 2 beers. Let's do one of them tricky turnarounds. Yeah, baby. Oh. Let it sit for 2 beers. Oh, come on. Catch your breath back, you old turd. And must have just been flooded or something. And we're going again. Holy shit. The boy's not as fit as he used to be. But anyway, we will hit that hill again on the way home, because I will not be beaten. Let that be known. Oh shit, we are at the top already. This is where the little hut is, I think. Yeah, there it is. Check this spot out, guys. Fucking hell, it's been pounded with a shotgun. We used to come camping up here when we were young fellas. Take the opportunity to have a quick beer. Fuck. This no kickstand thing's bullshit, eh? How do you do this? There we go. Stay there. Let's have a look. A few holes in that bad boy. So anyone watching this, who's been up here before? Any of yous? Louis Vuitton, really? That's one fucked up Mickey Mouse. What do you reckon? Thumbnail? Pretty nice up here. Temperature wise, it's cool as. Alright, let's have a quick 10. We might have a poke through. Now this track in here gets pretty wild. You used to be able to, I don't know if you still can, but anyone watching who knows the joint, can you still get to the old caravan? Because I know that used to be a bit of a mission. Cheers. There we go, baby. Well, down this track, guys, is a fairly full-on track, but apparently it still needs to be cut by chainsaws and shit, so we're not going to tackle this one today, but we will another day. Fuck. Alright, let's go. That lock gate back there leads to the army something. They do live fire training up here. Here we go. Here's the mountain. Alright, don't stall this time. Don't let it beat you, buddy. You got this. You got this! You got this! Yahoo! Fuck yeah! Oh shit! Nearly said you don't got this. Now what do I do? This is pretty cool. We can get up that. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh well, I really wanted to stop for a beer anyway, so should be right. Hey! We're off. Cool. There we go. This is what I'm going to bring the 80 up for. We'll just walk over here. Wonder if the camera's going to do this justice. That's pretty full on. Look at that. Holy shit. That's pretty nasty. That will be one hell of a climb. Should be right if you stay in these ruts here, but boom. That's steep. I know GoPros don't really do things justice, but I hope you can get the gist of this. Whew. Anyway, let's go. Time to get back down the hill. Oh, hopefully we don't crash. Or stall. Rather stall than crash. Gravity is my friend. There we go. Yeah! Momentum, baby. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Check out that view. Isn't that a little bit special? Should have brought the drone. Damn it. Wow. You can see the water out there too. Right at the end of the horizon there. What a nice spot. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm just going to bump start it. Sick of kicking this bitch. Come on, let's go. Yeah, here we go. Clutch control, pig. Clutch control. Learn it, motherfucker. Alright, well while we're cruising down, guys, I will end the video. So thanks heaps for watching. This is my first ever dirt bike vlog. I'm a shithouse dirt bike rider. I used to be fairly sort of okay, averagey type of a rider, so hopefully it'll all come back to me. Like they say, it's just like riding a bike. Apparently. Fuck, the brakes are good on this. Anyway, if you haven't already, hit that like button, headbutt that subscribe, and do all that cool shit that I usually say, but I'm trying to concentrate and not crash. Be good, make sure you drink a cold beer, give the video a big thumbs up, and holy fucking Jesus, I've already said this a couple of times now. Anyway, toodaloo, see you later, ta-da, boy, love ya!